Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about radishes, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with radishes. So if you're looking for some new recipe or menu or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out and something will spark you there. Combine radishes with avocados and lettuce, radishes with bread and butter and salt, radishes with cabbage, celery salt, and onions, radishes with chives, cream cheese, and sour cream, radishes with cilantro, lime, and olive oil, radishes with cucumbers and dill, radishes with cucumbers, lettuce, and mustard, radishes with dill, salt, vinegar, and yogurt, radishes with escarole, lemon, and orange, radishes with garlic and yogurt, radishes with lemons and pistachios, radishes with mint and orange, radishes with rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, and soy sauce. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye.